guys, my name is Aliwe and I'm here to teach you guys on the basis of African cultural dance. Today we'll be focusing on the Tiv people of Benue State, West Africa, Nigeria. Let's go! So guys, let's do the Swange dance. First of all, you position your legs like this for easy movement. And then the next thing, you move one step to the right, one step to the left. You have to relax yourself and enjoy this dance. You know, this is a very beautiful dance. Some people call it the snake dance, but the actual name is Swange dance. So let's do it. So you move one, A, two, A, You move with your hands, moving, So it's so enjoyable, you know. I'm feeling good. You move. One, two. You wear a beautiful smile, you know, to show you're enjoying the moves because it's a really nice dance. You move slowly, steady, you know. You dance with so much pride. So I hope you enjoyed that. So let's do this with the Swange music. Eh? Okay. So the next step is, you know, you carry your hand, you carry your shoulder with so much pride. You relax, and then you enjoy the music. You follow the beat, and then you keep a smiling face. So let's demonstrate how to move our shoulders with our back. So the movement of back, that's why some people say it's snake dance, because, you know, you have to move your back slowly, steady. You enjoy it. So let's do it. You turn to the back. You can freestyle. You can actually freestyle. Keeping a smiley face. So the next step is, you can actually dance this Swange dance, and then you go down, you move your shoulders, and then your back. So I think we should try that. Let's just do a small lecture on it. No music. Let's just do a small lecture on it. So first of all, I'm going to turn my back, of course, because we are demonstrating with our shoulders, and you have to see how my back is moving. So you start. You go slowly. You go slowly. So you can actually go. You go down. And then you can see. So let's do that with the music. So, so that's how you do it. You enjoy this dance. It's actually like you exercising yourself as well. So it's a really cool dance. You should learn.